Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So if you want to withdraw your crypto and transfer your crypto from crypto.com to Tangem Wallet, this is how it's done. Launch the crypto.com app and log in with your account. After that, tap on the Wallet tab at the bottom line of the screen. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT. Open the Tangem Wallet app. Launch the wallet and then select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. After selecting the crypto, Tangem will display your wallet address. Tap Copy to save the address, and then return to crypto.com. In here, tap on Transfer, then select Withdraw. Choose External Wallet as the withdrawal method. Then tap Add Wallet Address, select the correct network that matches your Tangem Wallet network. Paste the copied Tangem Wallet address and confirm. Select the amount of crypto you wish to send, review the details carefully as well, and tap on Confirm. Complete any two-factor authorization security verification if required, and the transfer will begin processing. Always ensure the selected network matches on both platforms to avoid losing your funds. Guys, if this was helpful, press like and subscribe to our channel. Also click on that notification bell to not miss new uploads. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.